I need to gain a little bit more speed.
Hola muchacho. I was wondering why there were people in suits, and I'm like, I looked to the left and she's wearing like all black coming out of like a graveyard, and I'm like, ah. To another level. To another level. Let's go, let's go, let's go. To another level. Okay, right. Road assessment. It looks okay. As in, I don't think it's really wet here at all. Now we dry. But I've got hot tyres, which means grippy rubber, which might mean Kneedown. Is it raining? It is. Piss off. I got like an attempt then. I got like a couple laps. I was lied to and told that I was really close, which in reality was not the case. Yeah, I don't know how close I'm actually getting. I'm like going round and everything, and then a little bit smaller, which means I'm not leaning enough off, I don't think. The other side obviously just gets affected a little bit. On the front, oh, I've still got tons of front. I'm just running out of rear. Okay, let me take a photo of that real quick. It's so annoying. I'm like going round, I'm like, oh, it's close, it's close, it's close. It's just not. I am slowly running out of breath though. I'll give it one more shot and then that's it. I do not want to be stuck behind this car though. Gets a nice wide line. Saw a police car and I'm like, oh fuck. Swear to God, I'm so close. Like, look at that. I'm so nearly there. That is genuinely hot. I'm so close. I'll get it next time. It's got to be positioning. It's got to be me. Because if I've not done it there with that chicken strip, there is no chance that it's the bike. It's either I need to lean over, like, I need to gain a little bit more speed, and I'll get there. Just takes a bit of balls. Yeah. It's about time I got some bigger balls. Hopefully it's not too busy. If I follow it and it's busy, I'm just gonna not. You did not see me trying to get my knee down. feeling confident. I'm feeling good with it. And I've got it on video, so I can be like, you know what, Will, if you don't believe me, suck a fat one. I wonder if you can hear this through the mic, as in like all my popping and banging and shit. Thing is, I was going a little bit fast and a little bit too much wind for there. Yeah, what even is the time? Ba -ba -ba. Oh, 20 past 2. I've been out about 2 hours? Is that safe to say? Yeah, I think so. Have I uploaded a vlog from the Bandit yet? Don't know. Maybe this can be it. This is the Bandit vlog, I guess. Or have I? Oh no, I've uploaded a pure sound, but that's about it. Nah. So here is, I guess, the Bandit vlog. Or we could do a... Oh, it does look quite busy. Should I not? Oh, which way's east west? I think west is down, isn't it? Oh yeah, because I was gonna do a little something. Hola muchacho. I'm just gonna slow it down a bit. Yeah, the weather, it was raining, then it wasn't. At the roundabout, well, not so much anyway. I don't know if I've avoided the shit weather or not. And then, go back the Truro way. That could work. I think I'm gonna do that. So, I've got last just a little bit longer than that. Actually, I'll stop the video for now. Stop the GoPro, and then restart after Naples. So, see you in a minute. Right, we are back. I thought you were going to stop, but you didn't. Won't be a dickhead and do a wheelie in the bike dealer. I don't know how I'm going to structure the video though, because obviously it realistically ended, or realistically started where it should have like had the main stuff. So am I gonna like split it up, or don't know. Oh, you've just had a funeral. It's a bit shit, isn't it? I was wondering why there were people in suits, and then I'm like, I looked to the left and she's wearing like all black coming out of like a graveyard, and I'm like, ah. Well, that will explain it. I wonder if I can just try to get the front wheel up over the little bollard, not bollard, the mini roundabout thing. But that was dumb, because obviously I'm not going to, am I? But if I say what I'm about to say, then I've got to wait. Nah, you know what, I'll wait. I won't say it. Although, it is something exciting for the bike. And that's as much as you're getting, to be honest. That's all I can be asked to say is it's going to be something quite exciting for this bike. I'll just leave the rest up to you, to be honest. You can guess what you think it's going to be. It's ordered, and it was supposed to arrive today, but it's not even near me at this point, because it's with Royal Mail, and it was like 24-hour special delivery, and that it should arrive before 1 PM. It's currently 2:45, and I'm out, and as you can tell, I don't have it because the post came at about 10:30, and there was no bike part. so that's a shame. I almost said it then. I mean, I would have got rid of it and edited it. It's not like I'm live right now, is it? So, I mean, I could have just got rid of it. But anyway, that was supposed to arrive. It didn't, so it should arrive tomorrow now, which means that it'll be fitted tomorrow, hopefully. Actually, it depends if I can be asked, because it might be a pain to fit. So, I mean, it's tank off, and then connecting a load of wires. So, why are there so many? Oh yeah, those manhole covers are always there. Yeah, I mean, it's basically just connecting a load of wires and working out where each wire connects. So, I don't know. Go, you Rem. Are they running from him or something? Or great right now.